Most people will never believe this, but you can start a profitable business in 2025 without an office, without employees, and sometimes without even a product. The secret? AI. Here's the truth. Most businesses fail because they run out of time, money, or both. But AI changes the rules. It can write, design, automate, analyze, and even sell for you, cutting startup costs to almost zero. Let's break down exactly how you can build a profitable AI-powered business this year. Every business starts with a problem. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to research what people are complaining about online, on Reddit, Quora, or TikTok comments. Once you know the pain point, you can create a solution faster than ever before. Next, create your offer. Want to sell an ebook? Want a digital product? AI can design templates. Want a service? AI can help you deliver it faster, whether that's marketing, video editing, or coding. And if you think this is only for tech experts, wait till you see the next step. AI doesn't just build products, it brings in customers. Tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or Canva Magic Write can create ad copy, captions, and graphics that actually convert. Add ChatGPT for email sequences, and you've got a 24/7 marketing team for free. Once you get sales, scaling is where AI really shines. Platforms like Zapier, N8N, or Make can connect all your tools, orders, payments, and customer support without you lifting a finger. It's like having employees you don't have to pay. If this resonates, you'll love the next strategy. It's the most overlooked. Here's the secret most people overlook: recurring income. Instead of one-time sales, use AI to create membership sites, subscription newsletters, or SaaS tools. Customers pay you every month while AI keeps costs low. Look at companies exploding right now. Solo founders are using AI to launch apps, courses, and digital agencies that bring in six figures with teams of one. The advantage in 2025 goes to those who learn how to use AI, not those who wait. Stick around, because the last insight will flip how you think about business forever. Here's the takeaway. AI won't replace entrepreneurs, but entrepreneurs who use AI will replace those who don't. The fastest path to a profitable business in 2025 is simple. Find a problem, create a lean offer, automate marketing, scale with AI, and lock in recurring revenue. If this opened your eyes, subscribe now and watch my next video on AI tools that save 20 hours a week. Comment below, what AI business idea would you start today?